query of the day. Shweta from Hyderabad is calling in. Shweta, a very good morning to you. Thanks for calling in. How can we help you?
Hi, Mahima. Good morning. Good morning, Alex.
Good morning.
My question is regarding transformers and rectifiers.
Okay.
I bought 90 shares at 1106.
Okay.
I want to know the fundamental analysis of the share, whether it is good to hold for 6 months to 1 year.
Okay. Shweta, when you bought transformers and rectifiers, what was the kind of thinking behind it?
Because I've been following your channel since a very long time, and I've been hearing experts saying the power distribution and power infrastructure stocks are going to do well. They have huge potential for growth. So among this, I spotted this transformer sector as a good stock.
Okay.
So,
Shweta, I got your question. It's just occurred to us that we've not really introduced our experts of the day, and that's a miss on our part. Samir Dalal, Natwarlal and Sons, stock brokers, as well as Kushal Gandhi, technical analyst at StockSpox. Always a pleasure, and sorry, gentlemen, for keeping you waiting. Good morning to you and happy Friday. You've heard the question. Samir, I'll come to you on TRIL. It's turned out to be quite a favorite among a lot of people tuning in, and of course, it's had it's rewarded a few people that got in early. What's the prospect going forward, though?
Yeah, so it has rewarded a few people who got in earlier. And, basically we've been saying on your channel also for some time that, look, the power sector is going to see good amount of capex investments going forward. Now, transformers and rectifiers caters to that segment. And as you get more of these substations, these lines and all of these things put in place, the business will do well. So we believe the operations can continue to grow. I mean, if you look at the profitability, it's shown decent numbers in the last 2 quarters also. The problem we have is simply valuation. The stock has probably run up far more than what the valuation, what the fundamentals justify. Now, given your person has only a 6 month to 1 year view, that's kind of slightly short term, and it will take a lot longer for the earnings to catch up to where the valuation stands. So am I expecting a near-term bounce in the stock? Probably not, given the fact that we are already trading at some amount of premium. We need to see either a sideways correction or maybe a downtick in the stock for valuations to become more reasonable. If you have a longer term view, maybe a 3-year view, I think one could probably hold on and on corrections buy. But in the next 1 year, difficult to say that the person is going to be making money on the stock. I mean, technical analysts could probably give a better view on that. The fundamentals are fine.
Okay, why don't we do that then? Kushal, I'll come to you on the charts for TRIL. Is it a hold for you at this juncture?
I would hold with a very tight stop loss near 957, simply because, the last week, the declines that we've seen, they've been on some incremental volume. So I feel this can be some sort of profit booking at the current juncture. So my sense is I can only expect a positive move once the record highs are taken down. That is near 1297 levels. So until then, it's a hold with a strict stop loss. But yeah, some profit booking is due in the stock.
Okay, quite a few.